Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years. And this beauty right here is an x16CE carpet extractor. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's also going to help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So your solution filter has a crack in the bowl and you just need to replace it. Here's how you do it. Very simple, no tools required. Take your bowl, unscrew it, pull out your mesh filter screen, take your old one, toss it, put your new one, put your mesh filter screen back in, and tighten it down. Now, if you need to replace the whole solution filter because it's damaged on the other side, what you want to start out doing is removing the bowl and setting that off to the side with the solution screen. And then we're going to rotate the machine and we're going to take out two 14mm bolts. Now, when you get the one out, be sure to brace the base of your machine because it will fall down on you. Now that we have the tank open, now inside is where your solution filter is attached. First thing you want to do is remove this bottom hose clamp. We're going to keep the second one on until we get the whole solution filter out. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this hose as well. So to remove the solution filter, what we're going to do, there are two screws holding it down to the machine. There's one in the back here, there's one in the front. We're going to take those off, and then we can pull the solution filter up and out. So now that we have the solution filter out of the machine, just makes it easier. We're going to go ahead and loosen up this top hose clamp, and then we're going to remove this hose from it as well. So this is your new solution filter with bowl. So first step in installing it, what we're going to do is remove the bowl and mesh filter, set that off to the side. Now what I want to point out is if you see the arrow right here, that is the direction of solution, and the arrow needs to be pointing towards the clear tube that goes to your pump. So here we go. We're going to install the hose back and tighten down the clamp. Okay, that's good, tight and secure. We installed the first wire reinforced hose. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install and clamp down the clear vinyl hose. This just makes it a little bit easier to get your solution filter down into the machine. Now here's a little tip. When you're installing the solution filter and screwing it back down to the machine here, what you want to do is tilt your recovery tank towards you and give yourself a little bit more slack so you can screw those down a little bit easier. So when installing your solution filter, I went ahead and installed the back screw first to kind of hold that in place, and then I'll go to the front one and screw that one down. So now that we've got the solution filter secured to the machine, the next step is going to be close the recovery tank and tighten it back down using the 14mm bolts. And now, last but not least, what we need to do is we need to put the filter bowl back on the filter assembly itself. So take your mesh screen and put it back up in the solution filter. Just like that. Take your bowl and tighten it back down. Make sure it's good and tight, otherwise you're going to have leaks and you don't want that. And you're done. You just replaced your solution filter. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.